2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 versus 2026 Lexus LX 800. 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800. There are machines that arrive. And then there are machines that alter the gravitational field of everything around them. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 does not belong to the world of automobiles. It belongs to the world of statements. The kind that silence rooms. The kind that make grown men pause mid-sentence. The kind that rewrite what luxury was ever supposed to mean. This is not an SUV. This is a rupture in the timeline. A rolling cathedral wrapped in matte obsidian so deep it seems to drink the light around it. And when it glides into view, you do not simply notice it. You feel something shift in your chest. Something primal. Something that whispers this is what power looks like when it no longer needs to prove itself. Mercedes did not design this machine. They sculpted a throne on wheels and dared the world to sit in it. The first thing that strikes you is the presence. Not loud. Never loud. The GLS 800 does not shout for attention the way lesser vehicles do. It radiates controlled gravitas. Like an emperor who needs no crown because his presence alone bends the room. The matte black finish clings to every widened curve like tailored armor. Every surface absorbs light rather than reflecting it. Every angle suggests mass and menace held in perfect restraint. This is not a vehicle you drive to impress people. This is a vehicle that makes people question whether they deserve to stand near it. The grille is no longer just a face. It is a gate to something ancient. Vertical dark chrome elements rise like cathedral spires, swallowing the air in front of them. The stance is impossibly wide. Wheels engineered specifically for this black series sit massive in the arches. They look like turbines spinning in slow motion. Military hardware dressed as jewelry. Walk around the body and no angle repeats itself. No line feels borrowed. The rear tapers like a yacht stern cutting through black water. The quad exhaust tips hint at the violence sleeping beneath. Everything works together not as industrial design but as haute couture translated into steel and carbon fiber. But here is the turn. Open the door and you leave the world behind. The cabin of the Maybach GLS 800 is not an interior. It is an atmosphere. Black diamond quilted leather so supple it feels like clouds sculpted by hand. Every panel placed with religious precision. Every stitch, a testament to obsession. The rear seats rival first-class international suites. You do not sit in them. You sink into sovereignty. Ambient lighting programmable in moods designed for emperors transforms the space into a cocoon of calm and power. The panoramic roof reminds you that chaos exists outside, but you exist in an untouchable sphere. The sound system does not play music. It builds architecture for your ears. Symphonies so immersive the violins caress your chest. The bass kisses your ribcage. You are not transported. You are suspended in pure indulgence. And then it moves. And physics bends. Beneath the velvet hides 800 horsepower of brute sophistication. The engine note is deep and resonant. Authority incarnate. Press the pedal and acceleration is not aggression. It is inevitability. The horizon bends toward you because it has no choice. Despite its massive size, this machine moves with grace that defies logic. Mercedes engineering balancing mass and motion until the laws of physics feel like suggestions. You glide rather than drive. You arrive rather than travel. And in every motion, the GLS 800 communicates one truth. It was not built to be compared. It was built to stand alone. Bentley watches nervously. Rolls-Royce takes notes. Lamborghini and Ferrari wonder if they entered the wrong arena. Because the Maybach GLS 800 does not compete for the throne. It already sits upon it. This is not about being the loudest. This is about being the one everyone falls silent for. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 is more than a vehicle. It is an era-defining statement, a cultural artifact, a moment when engineering and ambition and design collided to create something that will haunt the dreams of rivals for decades. The matte black paint, the unseen design language, the interior that redefines indulgence, the 800 horsepower wrapped in velvet. All of it asks one question. Are you ready to accept that true greatness is not speed alone, not opulence alone, but presence, aura, And the feeling of inevitability. Mercedes has delivered a sovereign to the road, and the road will never recover.
2026 Lexus LX800. There is a challenger, one that refuses to be ignored. The 2026 Lexus LX800 enters the arena not with thunder but with something more dangerous: stillness. A silence so confident it needs no introduction. Where the Maybach demands attention through presence, the Lexus commands it through discipline. This is Japan's answer to German excess. A philosophy wrapped in glossy black paint so deep and liquid, it looks like the night sky melted and hardened into steel. And when it glides into view, reflecting everything around it, like a dark mirror on wheels, you understand immediately. This is not a machine trying to compete. This is a machine that believes competition is beneath it. The first impression is restraint. Calculated, deliberate, almost spiritual. Lexus did not build the LX800 to entertain. They built it to command rooms by standing perfectly still. The proportions feel mathematically precise. Wide stance, long hood, a roofline suggesting power rather than mass. The glossy black finish wears like polished armor. Every reflection that slides across its surface makes it feel alive, breathing, watching. The spindle grille has matured, slimmer now, more deliberate, bordered by LED eyes that look less like headlights and more like intention made visible. Every crease serves a purpose. Every vent channels air through art. This SUV does not cut through atmosphere, it parts it. Politely, confidently, without apology. Walk to the side and the silhouette carries unmistakable Lexus DNA, but something has evolved. It feels heavier in presence, more grounded, more primal. Lines that bear weight rather than decorate. From every angle you sense purpose, form following discipline rather than ego. This is not a vehicle designed to prove anything. It is a vehicle that already knows its worth. But here is the turn. Open the door and contrast strikes you immediately. Outside the world is sharp and cold. Inside serenity breathes. The cabin does not glow, it glides around you in soft luminescence. Leather so smooth it behaves like fabric. Carbon accents shimmering softly under dim ambient light. The scent itself tells you before any display lights up that this space was designed to calm you first. Impress you later. Twin OLED displays suspended seemingly in mid-air hum with perfect brightness, not spectacle. Interface, they melt into the dashboard like constellations across a clear sky. Every control positioned with watchmaker precision. Even the temperature knobs carry a tactile click that assures you someone obsessed over how motion feels at the fingertip. This is monastic attention to detail, the kind that separates craft from noise, and then you press ignition, and the world shifts. Beneath that sculpted body lives a twin-turbo V8 hybrid generating 720 horsepower. Numbers are easy to quote. What is harder to describe is sensation. Before you move, you feel it. An electric stillness, a hum under the floor that does not threaten, it promises. The moment you lean onto the accelerator, calm turns kinetic. No delay, no drama, only motion gathering around you. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Physics rewritten by composure. The power delivery does not explode, it flows. Twin turbos and electric boost merging into a pulse so consistent it feels biological. The hybrid system does not exist to save fuel. It exists to perfect emotion. Electric torque smoothing aggression into harmony. Brutality and grace married in mechanical matrimony. The chassis joins the conversation. Adaptive suspension reading the road ahead with radar and camera and microsecond calculation. Roads stop being surfaces. They become sentences the car translates for you. At speed it feels liquid. In comfort mode the ride suspends everything but gravity. Flick to sport and the entire attitude pivots. Mass shifts, dampers tighten. Steering weights itself like truth in your hands. On mountain curves it manages agility that mocks its side. Off-road it morphs into an animal. Sand, rain, rock. The system predicts rather than reacts. It does not adjust to terrain. It conquers it politely. Inside silence is not emptiness. Silence is design. Lexus engineers hunted frequencies and vibrations until they erased every intrusive note. What remains is curated sound, a faint hum. The rhythm of tires translated into vibrations so subtle they feel like heartbeat. Driving becomes meditation in motion. Steering feels human, not light, not heavy, just honest. Brakes whisper to your will. The lighting shifts according to mood. Cool whites when cruising. deep crimson in sport, faint blue in eco. At night, the interior becomes a lens through which city lights gleam past in cinematic slow motion. You are not driving through a skyline, you are gliding inside it, detached but connected. The Lexus LX800 is proof that restraint can be the ultimate show of strength. It does not need neon or noise. It carries confidence in silence. It does not scream to be noticed, and yet everything around it notices. Because real luxury is not demonstration, it is discipline. The glossy black paint catches light like velvet turning to metal. Sometimes soft, sometimes lethal, never the same twice. The lines linger in your mind the way great design does. The kind that transcends steel and becomes memory. The 2026 Lexus LX800 is a manifesto. Proof that innovation can carry emotion, that silence can be the loudest statement a brand makes. But now, the question that brought you here. 2 machines, 2 philosophies, 2 nations, 1 verdict. The Lexus LX800 is extraordinary. Let that be clear. Japan built something genuinely remarkable. Laser, 720 horsepower wrapped in discipline. Craftsmanship that borders on spiritual. A cabin that feels like a sanctuary, silence engineered to perfection. Restraint as a form of dominance. The LX800 deserves respect. It earns admiration. It proves that Lexus belongs in conversations it was once excluded from. But here is the truth that separates admiration from victory. The Maybach GLS 800 does not enter the same conversation, it ends it. Where the Lexus whispers, the Maybach declares. Where the Lexus suggests power, the Maybach embodies it. Where the Lexus offers 720 horsepower, the Maybach responds with 800. Where the Lexus presents discipline, the Maybach presents inevitability. The LX800 asks you to appreciate its restraint. The GLS 800 does not ask anything. It assumes, and the assumption is always correct. The numbers tell part of the story. 800 horsepower versus 720. But numbers cannot capture presence. Numbers cannot measure the weight of a room changing when the Maybach arrives. Numbers cannot quantify the silence that falls when that matte black sculpture glides past. The Lexus is a masterpiece of engineering. The Maybach is a statement of sovereignty. The interior comparison reveals the same truth. The LX800 offers serenity, beautiful serenity, but the GLS 800 offers a throne room. First-class reclining seats that make international flights feel like economy. Ambient lighting designed for emperors. A sound system that does not play music but builds cathedrals inside your ears. The Lexus calms you. The Maybach crowns you. On the road the gap widens further. The LX800 glides with composure. Impressive composure. But the GLS 800 glides with authority. The Maybach beat, the kind that makes other vehicles instinctively yield. The kind that bends the horizon toward you rather than waiting for you to chase it. Both machines defy their size, but only one makes physics feel like a suggestion rather than a law. And then there is legacy. Lexus built the LX to prove it could compete with German luxury. Mercedes built the Maybach GLS 800 to remind the world that competition was never the point. Dominance was. The Black Series designation is not a trim level, it is a warning. A declaration that everything you thought you knew about luxury SUVs is now obsolete. The Lexus LX800 is magnificent, truly magnificent. It deserves every praise it receives. It represents the peak of Japanese automotive philosophy, but peaks can be surpassed. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 800 does not surpass. It transcends. It does not compete for the throne. It builds a new throne and dares anyone to approach. Germany did not send a contender into this battle. Germany sent a conqueror. Japan brought discipline. Germany brought destiny. The Lexus LX800 will be remembered as one of the finest SUVs ever created. The Maybach GLS 800 will be remembered as the one that made every other SUV feel temporary. 2 machines entered this conversation. Only one leaves as king, and the crown sits heavy on matte black shoulders.